and tall, country dog with a nose for it all. Dreaming about squirrels and a hamburger wish. Snoring so loud it's pure canine bliss. He loves a slow ride in a stroller seat, pushed down the middle of the street. Feels like a king on a Sunday night, but he runs to his crate when things ain't right. It's hard to be Hickory with bass vets and skin that's itchy. Before stubborn old Bulldog, he's got it pretty good, you see. Belly rubs, burgers, and long porch nights. Yeah, life's not bad when you're Hickory. Guarding the deck like a loyal friend, watching walkers and bikes till the daylight ends. Side-eye glare when you grab that shampoo, and the vacuum buddy, that thing won't do. Then comes the cone, what a sorry sight. Looking like a dish catching moonlight. Still stands proud with his country might, till a bike rolls past and he's ready to fight. It's hard to be Hickory with bass vets and skin that's itchy. Before stubborn old Bulldog, he's got it pretty good, you see. Belly rubs, burgers, and long porch nights. Yeah, life's not bad when you're Hickory. Heart big as the county fair, eyes that melt with one long stare. Might act mean, might act tough, but he's the sweetest bulldog you'll ever love. Belly rubs, burgers, and long porch nights. Yeah, life's not bad when you're Hickory.